Taliban. Taliban. I'm not wrecking ancient idols, awful suicidal Taliban. Taliban.
Blew up a few sacred statues. They are taboo. Hey, what you gonna do? Taliban. Taliban.
I am in the mood to destroy a Buddha. Taliban.
Taliban. Saw Umpty's ban. U.S. has a plan. They're shipping religious zealots to Afghanistan.
Got a plan.
Taliban.